Hi, my name is Jason Morgan. I've been an artist for over 25 years, and if you want to improve your artwork really fast and end frustration, I think my art channel is just for you. So on this video, I'm just going to talk about my Patreon art channel and show you a selection of videos that's on there. Now, as my channel's been going for over 5 years, I've got a real huge back catalogue of videos for you to watch. And when you join, you get access to all of the videos I've previously done on the tier you join at. So that could very well be hundreds of hours worth of videos. And I have subjects from the very beginner all the way up to super advanced. So I'm just going to scroll through a few of those on the screen just so you get an example, an idea of the type of things that I've got on there. And remember, I've got 109 pastel videos, 31 oil videos, and 14 other ones like charcoals and some coloured pencils as well in there. And each video goes from start to finish. The videos go through all the steps from the drawing all the way through to the final completion as well. So I've also got very dramatic subjects. I've got things like pet portraits and realism, wildlife, leopards, cheetahs, orangutans, and also subjects in their natural environments as well, and some more unusual things. It's not always about furry animals, so I've got some reptiles, frogs, the earth, even churches, but it is mainly wildlife that is on there. These are just a few extra ones I put on as well, so even a human portrait and a couple of landscapes too. So it really doesn't matter whether you're a beginner, novice, or really advanced. I've got lots and lots at each level, over 1,500 members on my Patreon art channel, and many of them had never picked up a pencil or a brush before, and they're really surprised and amazing their families and friends with what they can create now in such a short time. And I also show you exactly how I do my most advanced work as well, which is something artists don't often share. Now that was just a few of the pastel videos I've got on there, and here's a few oils as well, just so you get an idea of that. Now it doesn't matter if you're only into pastels, only into oils. You will learn from each of the videos that's actually on there. And there's also videos on other very important things like composition, basic digital editing, how to print your reference photos and how to take really good ones as well, and also new reference photos each month. And as well as all of that, you also get access to our secret Facebook group for members only, and virtually every one of the members thinks it's the nicest, most supportive group they've ever joined. Now finding all of those videos is super easy. I've got a companion website, so with just one click you can jump to all of the videos you want. Now hundreds of hours worth of videos, it doesn't cost hundreds of pounds or dollars. You can join from anywhere over the world, and it just costs from $4 per month, so roughly $1 a week. And there's no contract. You can leave and come back whenever you want, and you can go up and down all the tiers when you want as well. Hope that's a useful video, and I'll see you all again real soon.